Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add a new school life event on Facebook. Whether you're starting a new chapter in your academic journey or just want to share this milestone with your friends, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, look for the text box at the top of your feed that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on it to begin creating a new post. Next, scroll through the options below until you find the section labeled Life Events. Tap on it to proceed. This section is designed specifically for sharing significant milestones in your life. Once inside the Life Events menu, select the category labeled Education. This will bring up options related to academic achievements and updates. From here, tap on New School to start adding details about your new educational institution. Now it's time to fill in the specifics. Enter the name of your new school and any other details you'd like to include, such as the start date. Once you've completed this step, tap Next in the top right corner of your screen. You'll then have the option to write a description about this life event. While this step is optional, it's a great way to share your thoughts or excitement about starting at a new school. When you're ready, tap Post to share your update with your Facebook friends, and that's it. You've successfully added a new school life event to your Facebook timeline. It's a wonderful way to keep your social circle informed and celebrate this exciting milestone in your academic journey. Thank you for watching and enjoy sharing your story.